It's a Stitch Fix day. Hopefully this will have some keepers. Hang around and we'll find out together. Hey fashion friends, welcome to my channel, Dress Like You Mean It. My name is Andrea and I subscribe to Stitch Fix and I do unboxings and shopping hauls and try-ons, and if you like that kind of thing, I hope that you will hit that subscribe button, the notification bell, give me the like, leave a comment, all the things that help other people find and get to enjoy my videos. Thank you so much for spending part of your day watching me unbox my new Stitch Fix. So my last couple Stitch Fixes, I didn't keep anything. I'm just really trying to be true to the idea of only keeping things that I really, really love. So hopefully, Stitch Fix is a subscription styling service. They send you 5 items, give you 3 days to try it on. It's a $20 styling fee unless they have invited you to get the Style Pass, which is $49 for an entire year of as much styling as you want. What else? Free shipping both ways. I always like to say included shipping because it's not really free. Somebody's paying for it. They send you, in your box, you will get a mailer for the things that you don't want to keep, price list, note from your stylist, styling cards, and then they make it in this very cute, neat little bundle. And gonna take off the paper. They do a preview, so they will send you an email and you click on the link and it'll take you to your preview where they show you 10 items and you can choose up to 5. If you don't choose 5, then they will fill it in for you. And I recall that I chose 2 pairs of shorts. On top, we had something pink and gauzy. Now last time I had something pink and gauzy and I returned it. Oh, wow, this is, you know, I can't remember if I asked her for a romper, but I was thinking I wanted a romper. My stylist's name is Marsha. She does a really great job. This is by, I think it's Market and Spruce. It's in the same kind of pink gauzy material that I got something last time, a top, but I really wanted a romper and I don't know if I told her that or she can read my mind. It's got like a little seamed cuff there. It's got some pockets. Got smocking at the waist. That looks really cute. I'm super excited about that. Yes, please. All right, next up, we have a blue, a very pretty blue, again, Market and Spruce, top, straight hem, flutter sleeves, this kind of crochet detailing. The one thing I'm not excited about this is it's got, sorry, trying to get the tags out of the way. It's got these ties, and I am not a tie girl. We'll see. That may be something that if I love it, I can just cut them off. So, love the color, nice material. See what it is made of. Linen and polyester. Okay. All right. Up next is another top. This is by Skies Are Blue. This is white and it is sleeveless. It's got it's stretchy. It's kind of that jersey, and then it's got this like lace detailing on the front. It's really pretty. It's really pretty. And just a ever so slightly rounded hem, I would say. All right, that all looks great. Okay, next up, these are the things that I chose. This is from Cut from the Cloth, shorts in this super pretty kind of aqua color. And it's got, of course, pockets. It's got some, those look like faux pockets in the back. Yep, those are faux pockets in the back. And nice stretch. All right. And then another pair of shorts by Market and Spruce. These are in this blue color. They are cuffed. and they have pockets, button detail, and those are real pockets in the back. All right, this looks really good. What kind of, and this has the button too. This just looks like an awesome fix. So super excited to try it on, and I will show you my outfit of the day, and then we'll start trying things on. All right. Okay, I forgot, I always forget. If you haven't tried Stitch Fix before, I will leave my link below. That will give you at least $25 off. They have at times given me $50. It's been a while, it seems like, since they've done that. Carolyn in her clothes, in her video I watched today, she said that they're kind of struggling. So anyway, it'll give you at least $25 off your first fix. And if you haven't tried Stitch Fix, it's super fun. You can set the amount of time that you want to, the frequency that you want to get your stitches or your fixes. I have it set to every 2 to 3 weeks, and you can do it monthly, seasonally. They also have a store called Freestyle where you can just go in and buy things. So let's try some things on. All right, I am wearing a white, I call it like an elevated t-shirt by, who is it by? I got it at Nordstrom Rack. And these are joggers. They're really light and kind of a really nice material. I got these from Stitch Fix. I think these are made by Splendid. I can't remember who I got the top from. But I wanted to just show you real quick. It's got the, stuff. So read you my stylist note. Hey Andrea, I'm excited to see that you found a couple pair of shorts from the Fix preview in great summer colors to try. You have the Catherine shorts cut from the cloth in navy, so the fit and style should work well for you. Since you asked me to add some summer tops that are not all polyester, I added the white tank from Skies Are Blue to pair with the turquoise shorts and the navy knit top from Market & Spruce to pair with the blue utility shorts. That's what I was thinking I was going to do. Try this top with a little front tuck to add shape. For the final item, I saw the pink romper from Market & Spruce in your Freestyle saved items, so I added it for you to try. So you can go into Freestyle and save items, and these stylists are starting to include those in your fixes, which is an awesome feature, I think. The gauzy fabric and the color are perfect for summer. Try it with some white sandals or sneakers for a great casual look. I will be watching for your YouTube review. Enjoy, Marsha. Awesome job, Marsha. All right, let's try some clothes on. Okay, first up, I tried on the romper because I was really excited about this, and I like it a lot. Here's a little string there. It's comfortable. It is really comfortable, and I think it's really cute. And I paired it with some new shoes that I got from Off-Broadway that are just some white wedges with a little bit of bling. But I will come up closer so that you can see this super cute romper. Now, I think it was last year, I got a really cute romper that was just insanely priced. It was like $135. It was ridiculous. So I've kind of been out on the lookout for a romper since, and have tried some on and not found one I like, and I like this. So it's got the nice V-neck, nice sleeves. It comes at a nice length. It's got pockets. It zips up the back, but it's not hard to zip by myself. So when I need a bathroom break, I think it'll be okay. Well, what do you think of this? I love the color. It's so comfortable. I just like, I'm trying to think of what's coming up that I can wear it. It's 4th of July weekend this weekend, and we go to this art festival, so I think there's a possibility I might wear it to that. I'm also going out to lunch with a friend on Friday, so I might wear it for that. What do you think? It's pretty certain that it's going to be a keeper. All right, great start to this fix. Let's try on the shorts and tops. Okay, next up are the turquoise or aqua shorts cut from the cloth. I do have these in just a plain navy. I really like them. They're very comfortable. And I really like fun colors. I love colored jeans, and adding some interesting colors to my shorts is something that I would really like to do. So I paired it with, as she suggested, with the white top from, I think it was Gauze or Blue. And this is the kind of top that I've really been looking for, because it's just, it's just a tank, but it's, it's got something special with all the lace and stuff. So I paired it with some Bueno sandals that I got from DSW. I bought 3 pairs of sandals. I just decided I needed to kind of rotate out some of the older ones and add some new ones. And these are super, super comfortable. I come up close and they hit right below the belly button. And they're just nice, comfortable shorts in this pretty color. And then the top, it's just a rounded neckline, and it's got this nice detail on it. I did try to front tuck it, and because this is kind of stiff, I didn't feel like it lent itself very well to being front tucked. What do you think? I mean, I feel like this looks, that might be okay. That might be okay. All right. And then this is the back of the top. So again, two winners. Yeah, I like these. I just, this color is so fun. And I know some of you who've been watching me for a while are gonna go, Andrea, those are green. And you used to say you never wore green. And yeah, they kind of are a green, and I like them. What can I say? I am willing to change my mind. So let me know what you think of this outfit. I'm going to tell you something that's one of my pet peeves about some other YouTubers. When they're trying to show you shoes and they don't pull the camera back far enough so you can see the shoes, and they're doing this. So let's see, I will show you the shoes. Yeah, all right, one more outfit. Last outfit, we have these shorts from Market & Spruce. I like them, I like the length, and we have the top from, I can't remember. Yeah, so let me come up closer, show you the shorts. I feel like they fit well. They've got the, kind of pork chop pocket. So they're different from anything I have in my closet. Don't have this color, don't have the, that type of shape. Let's try to tuck that away. Yeah, I feel like they fit well. Let's talk about this top. So it's really comfortable. I like the fluttery sleeves. I struggle with the front tuck. I feel like other YouTubers it looks so much better when they do it. So what I did was I just tucked this in all the way around, and I like that look. I do not like these tassels. I am not a tassel and tie type of girl, but I could definitely see just snipping those off. And let's see, if we put them inside like that, that would show us more what it would look like if I snip them off. Be just kind of a V-neck. Hope that would look okay. I think it would. What do you think? There's from the side, the back. It comes up okay on the sides there. So let's do prices and a recap. What a great fix. All right, so first up, we have the Market & Spruce Liz Tassel Detail Linen Blouse in navy, and this is $54. So I like that. 54 is a little bit high, but I do like it. Next up, we have the cut from the cloth Catherine trouser twill short in turquoise, and these are $68. Cut from the cloth does tend to be a little pricier, but they make a really good product. So next up, we have the Market & Spruce Madison High Rise Utility Short in blue. These are $58. skies are blue. Airika, spelled A-I-R-I-K-A. I've never seen Airika spelled like that. Woven lace front knit top. And this is $48, which I think is more than fair with all that detail. And then last we have the Market & Spruce Trini short sleeve gauze romper in pink, and this is $68. Now with Stitch Fix, if you do buy all 5 pieces, they do give you 25% discount. My stylist picked subtotal for the 5 pieces is $296. With the discount, it would take off $74, bringing it down to $222. There is a good possibility this is going to be a 5 for 5 because I really like everything a lot. I do have to look at my budget because I do have a budget that I have to work with, but I love them all. So if I can, I'm probably going to keep them all. But as I've said before, I do wait until the next day, try them on again. My daughter's getting home. She and her husband have been on their honeymoon for the last 3 weeks. They went to Italy and Spain. I'm going to be leaving pretty soon here to pick them up at the airport. And I always like her opinion as well as my husband. So what did you think about this fix? Did you think it was a 5 for 5, worthy of a 5 for 5? Let me know in the comments. And if you liked it, please give me that thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. I am trying so hard to get to 1,000, and it's taking a painfully long time. Yeah, but I love doing these videos, love sharing this with you, and I hope you enjoy it too. And until next time, fashion friends, don't forget to dress like you mean it.